according to Kirchhoff law, outgoing of current minus incoming of current is equal to 0. Current is equal to 0. Right? Outgoing of current is equal to incoming of current is 0. Here how many volts are given? Here 30 volts are given. 30 volts are given. Outgoing of voltage is equal to incoming of voltage laga voltage is equal to 0. Here 30 is given. What is algebra formula? Is equal to what is that? At first resistor. At first, what is that? V is equal to right IR is equal to 6 into 6 ohms into 6 ohm into 3 ampere is equal to, don't take 18 volts. Next at second resistor V is equal to IR. Don't take 3 into 4 3 amps into 4 ohms is equal to 12 volts. Therefore 18 volts plus right 18 volts plus 12 volts is equal to 30 volts. This is outgoing. This is outgoing right? Outgoing. This is incoming. 30 is equal to 30 volts is equal to 30 volts. This is 30 volts is equal to 30 volts. This is the formula. Now what you have to find? Power. Power is equal to how much? Don't talk. Power is equal to. What is formula? Power is equal to how much? Write down. Power is equal to one of the formulas. Tell me. All tell formulas. Power is equal to VI. VI is equal to V is equal to IR. I. This is I square R. I square R. I square R is equal to V square by I square by R. These are the formulas. Remember it. I into I square R. Then what is here? Everyone is there. Power is equal to how much? What is V? P is equal to V how much? Voltage. 30 into current how much? Current how much? Current how much? 3 ampere is equal to 90. What is that? 90. What is that? Power. Power is equal to watt or joules per second. Joule per second. This is the positive. Joules per second. Right or this figure right? In this figure write and practice it. In this figure that is E means EMF. EMF is given. EMF is equal to 1.5 volts and resistance is equal to R is equal to 0.5 ohms. Given ఎక్కడిచ్చాడు given and in parallel ఇదేంటది ఇది given. ఇక్కడ here down parallel in parallel 3 ohms and 3 volts and 6 ohms are given. 3 ohms and 6 ohms are given. Now make it to what is the resistance formula of parallel? Parallel formula is equal to R total is equal to RT is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Then 1 by R1 how much? How much? 3 plus 1 by, tell me. Aapane kuchuntaare. 1 by R how much? How much? 6. Highest number 6 kaabatti 6. Next 3 to 6 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. What is resistance then? Reciprocal. This is 1 by RT. 1 by RT is equal to, this is equal to R. Resistance is equal to 2 by 1 is equal to 2 ohms. 2 ohms is the resistance. Next what we have asked, current is asked. Then current is asked. I is equal to చెప్పండి. I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. V here. What is V? V is how much? You have to wedge all these things, series and parallel. For finding V by R, you will have to merge series and parallel. Series and parallel. Parallel. What is here? What is there? 0.5 plus 0.5 plus how much? 2. 0 by correct karna, listen to 0.2 ohms is equal to how much? 2.5. 2.5. What is this? Resistance ohms. 2.5 ohms. What is current given here? Current is how much is given? Then therefore I is equal to V by R. What is V? How much V? V is 1.1 15 by 25 is equal to how much? 15 by how much?
3 by 5.
1 by
3 by 5.
15 ones.
3 to 5 tables.
Okay. 3 by 5. How much?
3 by 5.
How much 3 by 5 means?
0.
Divide it.
0.6 వస్తుంది.
చేయాలి ఇంపార్టెంట్.
0.6.
Do it. అరే చూడండి అది 5 కదా 3 doesn't go in this. That's why you have to keep 0. I don't need to. 5. Next put up 0. How much?
3 by 5 sir. 5 divided by 3.
Okay. 5. 3. Okay. 0 put 0. 3. Next point 3. 0.6 is the 0.6. 0.6 ampere is the correct answer.